Hello friends, this is Jayakumar from JK Dope Industries, Kerala, Cochin. So today I am coming to this video because there are huge demand from the social media and YouTube, especially Facebook. There are a lot of people like to start a small scale business at your home. So people are asking, why don't you do a video on agarbakti manufacturing business? So that is the reason why I came to this video and I just presenting this situation to you all. So agarbakti making business is a wonderful and a very profit oriented business in South India, especially South India, and all over India there is a scope. So India and outside India, foreign countries also, we are exporting agarbatti related products, agarbatti sticks, agarbatti raw sticks, agarbatti perfumes, then computer sambrani, then cup sambrani. Agarbatti related, there are a lot of products are available. Those products are huge market there in the foreign countries. That will be there. Okay, in India there is a huge demand from the zone wise. Zone wise is North India, South India, West India, and East India. So South India is dominated their manufacturing production capacity and market share. Nearly 30 to 35 percentage is taken by South India, followed by West India. So nearly some 32 percentage is from West India. Apart from North and East side, the consumption pattern and other things are a little less, nearly coming 20 percentage. Okay, so this is the framework of this business, and the speciality of the business is that you can start this business at your home with lesser investment and higher profit margin. So I before coming to this entire video, if you are seeing my this video in first time, just in if it is in a Facebook, just share it and like it, share with your friends and just click a like button. If you are seeing it in YouTube, please subscribe. There is a red button below. It's a subscribe button. Is just click that. Suddenly, then one bell icon will come there. So click that bell icon. Then you put that all option. So if you do this, all my videos like new business ideas, new business techniques, and all this area, you will get it then and there when I upload it. So that is one. The second thing is that there are plenty of people wanted to start a small scale business at their home, but they don't know how to do that. They don't have any kind of guidance, support and all. So those people get benefited if you share to somebody else. So that is another benefit which you are going to just doing indirectly by sharing and subscribing it. Okay. Now coming to the point, agarbatti manufacturing business. I already told you it's a small scale business. It is a very simple, humble business. You can start at your home with your family members' support. That is the basic thing. Now I am going to tell you some 10 points where if you follow these 10 points, pakka, you can successful in this business. So 10 points nothing but it is a general viewpoint which is we are JK Dope Industries last 7 years in this industry, and we studied a lot and we know the market very well, and that is the reason why we are just putting across these kind of points. If you are a startup or a new entrepreneur in this industry, so first thing is that when you are going to start, when you want to go start this agarbatti business at your location, whether it is in your home, whether it is in if you are hiring any render out place or whatever it is. So first thing you need to research well. So market research is very good. First point is market research. So you have to do a market research. Market research doesn't mean that you have to spend more, you have to travel, nothing like that. You just go to your location, which is your native place. Go there, just go to the retail market. For example, supermarket, hypermarket, provisional stores, all the places where the product moves. Then you go there and just see that how many brands of agarbatti is there, what is the price difference with each fragrance, which fragrance is going more, just buy some small packets and check it to your in your home, and just study the market very good, and you should have a knowledge, because in this business the knowledge is very important. So you should have a proper pakka knowledge about this business. So do the market strategies in and around technical analysis, marketing analysis, then what is the sales point, what is the selling point, what is the USP, everything you should understand the basic framework. That is called market research. Second point, I am just telling you that just there is a project. You have to do a project report. So project report nothing but it's not like hi-fi and all. Just take a white paper, just write down what is the cost of this project, where you are going to manufacture it, how many lead time you are going to take for this manufacturing unit, manufacturing this product, then where you are going to sell this product, who are your customers, where you are getting this raw material, machinery. This is the 4 or 5 points. Just include in this project report, you are through. So then there are a lot of people are doing a mistake that they are taking a report from third party. There are a lot of project writers are there available in this market. So if you approach them, they will write you for proper project report, but that doesn't work out. The project report actually comes into your mind. From your mind it has to come, and you should have proper pakka knowledge on this project report. In and out of the project you should know, not the third party. So for me the project report has to written by you, not the third party. So that point is clear. I think everybody is clear that. Then third point which I am going to tell you is the finance. That is the major challenge of the any business, finance. How to arrange finance. Finance can be from your own pocket, or you can take it by third party vendors like banks, venture capital, wherever your friends, where it is that money is coming, you just arrange that. Nowadays the government is giving a lot of loans, subsidies and everything for the development of small scale industries, especially Agarbakti. Because Agarbakti, why I am telling, Indian government is given given only 5% for Agarbakti tax. Why it is like that? The government wants to boost this industry. There is a huge market from the outside and inside. So that's the reason why there are a lot of players wanted to come to this industry. So the reason why government is putting only 5% tax. The Agarbakti tax is 5%. That is the reason. Now you need to arrange the finance. And what if you borrow, you lend, or take your money, whatever it is, make sure things are available there. Then fourth point is that registration and license. So obviously, if it is, since it is in a small scale business, lot of people are asking me whether any license or registration required. Obviously, if you are going to start a business, definitely it should be a registered one. The business should be in a separate entity. Okay, so either you can start with sole proprietorship or partnership firm or private limited, whatever your capacity, you just go to that, because you start with the proper registration. Then say license. So in this industry, in this product, it is not mandatory that there is no ISO standards at all. Okay, so you can take the local bodies license. For example, Panchayat or municipal or corporation. Go there, tell them I are going to start a business. They within fraction of seconds and within 48 hours, whatever it is, they are this thing, they will give you the license. So then health department license, pollution license is not required. It's not required right now. Once you are started, you can take all license. These are only things, simple and humble things which is required for starting this business: registration and license. The fifth point is very important point. You should set up a manufacturing unit. Fifth point is set up a manufacturing unit. So manufacturing, when I talk about manufacturing unit, it won't be a big bungalow and all. It's just small 150 to 200 square feet space required from your home. If your home is any vacant spaces, you can take a covered area, you can do that. Okay, only 50 to 150 to 200 square feet required for this market setup of the unit. Then at least one single space electricity is required. Then it should be covered. Then water availability, everything should be there. So this is how you need to set up a. Then you need to find a place for setting up or installing the machinery. Then you need to find one place for putting this raw materials. It has at least 2-3 months stock has to be there, so it shouldn't be spoiled. So like that, manufacturing unit to set up. Then sixth point is machine with price. That is a major thing. In the market there are a lot of machineries available. Machinery is available means the machinery's price starts from 55,000 like that, and all lot of machine from coming from abroad like Vietnam machine, China machines, then India made in machine also. Whatever it is there, if you want a good machine, it has to be, the price should be somewhere around 80 to 95,000 rupees. You will get a good quality machine. Heavy stroke will be there, and you will get a per minute 250 to 300 stick outflow will be there. That machine, it will be, maintenance will be very less. You can handle your own style. So that's about machinery and price. So seventh point is agarbatti making formula. There is a formula for agarbatti making. So agarbatti, now you have this machinery installation, everything done. Now there is a premix powder, agarbatti powder will be there. So earlier 10 years, 20 years back, what happened is that the premix ready-made premix was not available. So what they do is there is some kind of powders like wooden powder, charcoal powder, jigad powder, then white chips, lot of powders will be there. These powders will mix it in a particular proportion. Then make the mixing for making agarbatti. So it should be like white chips like 40%, it has to be there. Then agarbatti, for agarbatti making only I am talking about these chips, these powders in a different proportion they will take it. So this is how it is agarbatti powder making formula. So third thing is that eighth point is agarbatti making process. So there is a process for agarbatti making. For example, in agarbatti there is four raw materials required. One is agarbatti premix powder. The second one is bamboo stick. Third one is perfume. Then DP oil. So these are the materials required for making a agarbatti unit, and these are the raw materials. So agarbatti making process, it has to be very clear that you should take a proper, for example, perfume. Then DP oil 1:4, 1:3. There are a lot of people are doing like that. So this process you should understand. We people will give you each and every guidance for you guys if you wanted to come to this industry. Then ninth point is raw material availability and raw material things. So raw material, I already told you, raw material premix powder, it is available anywhere in India. In Kerala we have huge stocks in our hand. Then premix powder, bamboo stick, everything we have available in market itself. It is lot of plenty of supply is there. You can go there and you can take it out. The last point, last point is that where to sell this product. This is very important. Everybody can make a manufacturing manufacturing, but the deployment of the product into the market is entirely different. Okay, so nowadays the market is open for everybody. Globalization is there. Global market is open for you. You can take a call on how to sell your product. You can take a call on how to present your product. There are nowadays social media is very powerful. So you can advertise into social medias like Facebook, Instagram. Facebook advertisement is very powerful. Then Instagram advertisement. Then all kind of social media, other social medias they are there. Then WhatsApp promotion is a very excellent way of doing business. Then apart from that, there is a technical thing. There is a B2B, business to business business portals are there. Then business to customer portals are there like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. What spaces you can register and you can sell it off. Then B2B sites like IndiaMart and other kind of stuff will be there. You can register there. You will get a buyer seller connection. So you can sell it off. Apart from that, initially you just do a legwork. You can distribute some kind of you can approach some distributors and you can sell the product through distributors will take some kind of commission for 30 to 40%. I think presently they are taking 40 to 40%. I think you can tie up with them, you can agreement with them, they will sell it of your product. So there are plenty of way you can do that. Only thing is that your mind should be very clear and you should have a positive mental attitude towards the business. That's the only thing required. in India and abroad, you can easily tap the market. Easily tap means easily. For example, in abroad, like USA, UK, Latin America, Egypt, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, all the places, there is a huge market for Indian agarbatti. Because Indian currency price is very less. That is the reason why I think that is the reason why there is huge demand. There is huge supply on that from our side. So these are the major things just wanted to share with you regarding the agarbatti making business. Now this video continues and with a video machine manufacturing. So I will show you how a fully automatic machine produces agarbatti stick. That will be followed by this video. Just with this machine video is also coming. So before that, I just like to you can see how to packing of machinery, packing of your product is very important. In a local market, you can see that this is what is example. This is small covers. It is only some 5 to 6 sticks available there. So these sticks you can pack like this single piece. This is a puja only for meant for puja purpose. Puja seasonal this thing only. This is I think this is a 5-inch length is available. You can say this is cost some 15 rupees. You can sell it off this one. The manufacturing cost will be below 7 rupees. So that's the margin I told you. Then apart from that, you can sell raw agarbatti, you can sell scented agarbatti. Raw agarbatti also there is a huge market, scented agarbatti also huge market. All this both products you can both products you can take in a plastic cover, you can sell it off. There are huge demand on that. So I will tell you. So this is one example. This is one agarbatti. It's a sport quality agarbatti. You can see the finishing of this agarbatti. This agarbatti. This is scented one. It is I think rose scent. This is like packing like this. You just close this place. And it's this is 1 kilo only. So by 1 kilo you can sell this. Like this also raw agarbatti you can sell it off. And depends on this length. This is actually 9-inch. And 8 inches available, 7 inches, 5 inches, whatever the customer demands, you can make it and good. Maximum, this is, I will show you, this is one big one, this is 18-inch. This thing only. There is a demand for this also in Diwali season and the other seasons and all. So there are a lot of products available. Then computer samrani, then cups are a lot of many plenty of products available under this segment. You can start with this project. Nothing is there. Just be a knowledgeable person, be a hard worker, be a motivator, be a positive attitude person. You can succeed in this game. This is a small scale business with lesser investment and high profit margin. Now video is coming for you. Just see the video. And for time being, I think that's all from my side. If anybody want to start or any help or guidance on that, in this video in the description I have putting my contact number, WhatsApp link and everything. You just contact me. Our people will call you or contact you through WhatsApp or whichever the channel they will contact you. That's all about this business. Any query, just comment it. We will do that. Okay, thank you very much all. Thank you.